Another concept associated with debtors turnover ratio is average collection period. It is also referred to as debt collection period. As the name suggests, this ratio or this figure actually gives us an indication about the time in which our debtors are being collected. So students, this can be written as or calculated as number of days in a year divided by, or in case it is being calculated in months, so number of months, and we all know that it would be 12 in this case and 365 in this case for non-leap years, divided by debtors turnover ratio. So students, in order to calculate debt collection period, first of all we need to do is calculate debtors turnover ratio. Then if we are required to calculate debt collection period in number of days, then we will write 365 divided by debtors turnover ratio, and in case we are required to calculate in months, that would be 12 divided by debtors turnover ratio. Like in previous question, we had calculated debtors turnover ratio as 4 times. The debtors turnover ratio was 4 times. So if you want to calculate debt collection period, debt collection period would be 12, that is number of months, divided by debtors turnover ratio, that is 4, it would be 3 months. So students, it makes it very clear that the sales in the first month are collected within next 3 months. For example, the sales that you effected in January, by sale I mean credit sales, their amount would be collected by the month of or the end of March or in the beginning of April on an average basis.